Can you give me some covering fire? What? Can you cover me? I'm gonna move up.
Where are you going?
To the left. I'm gonna flank around him.
Get one guy in there.
In that bunker, right?
Yeah. Go bunker tag him. Go.
Well, I didn't. He left, I think.
Just like this. Bunker and then say bunker tag. Go.
I don't think he's in there.
You go. Just go.
Sure?
Yeah.
All right. 3,
Go.
2, 1. Bunker tap. Careful. Bunker tap. Jeez, so sweat.